So we'll see problem 2 of uh, fault analysis, that is symmetrical fault analysis. Please write down a question. Anyway, if you're not writing, no problem. I will share the notes later also, you can write. But solution, you please write now itself. Five alternators, each rated 5 MVA, 13.2 kV with 25% of reactance. 25% of reactance on its own base or connected in parallel to a bus bar. Find short circuit find short circuit.
Sir, I guess your mic is off.
Okay. That's why please, if I ask something, please respond. Then only I can, because whether it is muted or not, I was not. I was just explaining the question. Okay, nothing more. Five alternators, each rated 5 MVA, 13.2 kV with 25% of reactance on its own basis, are connected in parallel to the bus bar. To a bus bar, find short circuit level in MVA at bus bar. Here in this question, there is no any diagram, just they have given the question itself without diagram. And also it is a GATE question in 2019. Okay, we need to write or draw the single line diagram from the question. That is the first step for our problem solution, right? So solution step 1. So draw the single line diagram. So from the question we understand that there are five alternators and its rating is given, like MVA, power is given, voltage is given, and then reactance value, percentage of the reactance is given, right? Sorry, it is not 25%, it is 12%. Just a minute, I will confirm. No, 25% only. Small mistake in my notes. 25%. Okay. So 25% of reactants on his own basis are connected in parallel to a bus bar. So first I will draw a bus bar here like this. In this bus bar, five alternators are there with reactants. So I will draw five generators with having a reactance in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these things are connected to ground, and they are telling find short circuit level. Okay, for short circuit level or short circuit MVA, both are same at bus bar. So this is the bus bar we are considering, right? So in this bus bar they want to find out the fault. So this is the fault point. So fault point is here. Simply I will write f. F means fault point. Okay, so this is the system they have given. For this system, all these generators, say for example, if this is G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. So all these 5 generators are having value of 5 MVA, 13.2 kV, and then reactance of 25% of the actual. So 25% means obviously it will be J 0.25 for all, J 0.25. So step 1 and step 2 both we have done, and step 2. Why? Because step 2 we find out reactance of each and every element. Here only 5 generators are there, so for 5 generators we find out reactance X for each element. So J 0.25, J 0.25, J 0.25. But in examination you may split the steps so that the step mark will be given for you. So don't mix the steps. Okay, for simplicity I am writing like this. But in examination you may take one more step also to find out the reactance of each and every generators. Here finding the reactance value is very simple because they have given in the percentage. So percentage maximum value will be 1 only in per unit. So for 1, what is the value? 0.25 will get for percentage. Now the question is, we need to find out SCMVA, that is short circuit MVA, in MVA itself. So in MVA means per unit, it's not per unit, it is actual. So actual we need to find out SCMVA. Okay, just a minute students. Okay, so we need to find out SCMVA actual. So what is the formula for SCMVA? Anyone please tell me, recall. That is actually it is a voltage before the fault occurrence. So we know that we are not considering the load, so obviously it will be equal to E value. So and also we know the value of E, it is nothing but 1 0 angle. Okay, so E into IF per unit into S. S is the maximum MVA or base MVA we are considering. Obviously here base MVA is only one value we are having, so we will consider 5 as 5 as the base MVA. So base MVA is equal to 5 we are considering 5 MVA. So obviously this will be the value of my S in final stage, but we know the value of E nothing but 1 angle 0, and also this is 5 MVA. Only thing we need to find out is this one, IF per unit. So what is the formula for IF per unit? So I will write here. What is the formula for IF per unit? Please tell me, ma. IF per unit is E divided by X equivalent. Correct or not? E divided by X equivalent. Here we know again E value is 1 and X equivalent value we don't know. So we need to find out X equivalent. So from this, each and every component we have reactance value, and also now from this we need to find out X equivalent. So X equivalent 1 divided by X equivalent will be equal to, so first we will find out equivalent here. I will do a partition here. This is to find out X MVA in the top, and below I will find out X equivalent is equal to, all these 5 are in parallel, so I will take 1 divided by X equivalent is equal to 1 divided by J 0.25 plus 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 1 divided by J 0.25. So this is simply nothing but 1 divided by X equivalent is equal to If I take LCM, 5 divided by j is 0.25, and if I want to take reciprocal, x equivalent is equal to 0.25 divided by 5. So what is the value of x equivalent then? What is the value of x equivalent? So it is, I'll write j. Everywhere j will come, so wherever I missed, you assume there is j. Okay, j 0.05 is my x equivalent value, because all are in parallel. All are in the parallel, so x equivalent value is x, that is j 0.05. So if I put if per unit, 1 divided by j 0.05 is my if. So what will be my value? What will be my value? Tell me. So 1 divided by j, I will get minus j, and 1 divided by 0.05 is nothing but 20 amp. So this is my if per unit, if per unit value. So if I consider only the current value here without this j, then if I apply that value in SCMVA, MVA, this is actual, that is nothing but 1 into 20 into 5. So how much value I will get? SCMVA actual is equal to, I will get 100 MVA. Got it? So this is how we can able to solve this problem without giving any diagram or circuit itself. We can write just by thinking how the bus bars are connected with all other elements. So here they have given 5 alternators, each rating values is given, and also they are telling all these 5 alternators are connected parallel to a bus bar. So by this, taking this word parallel to a bus bar or connected in parallel to a bus bar, we drawn this circuit. Okay, this is a gate question and also important for our examinations also, but values will be differ. So please take a note on this, right? Okay, so that's all about this problem. We will see next problem in next video.